What is good, y'all? Welcome back to another video. I appreciate y'all for coming back to another video. For those who are new, it is your boy Eddie. Welcome to the channel. Hope you guys enjoy the vlog today. So right now what we're getting into is I'm on my way. It is early in the morning, guys. Early in the morning, but I am on my way to Irvine McGuire's headquarters because today is Dustin Williams' cars and coffee / dog or animal charity event today. So I got a little, this looks like a basket, but it's really not a basket. It's actually a bed for either like a small dog or cat, whatever. And it's Halloween themed with a couple of toys on top. Bought my little gift for the charity event today, and I have an hour drive. I didn't think this thing was that far, but it's pretty far. A whole hour away from me. I was like, damn. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do right now. Early morning, as you guys can see. If you guys are all having a beautiful, amazing day, make sure y'all hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and be part of the family. As you guys can tell, we got a different lens going on. Yup, I returned my other one, but I just threw back the lens that originally came with the camera. I was trying to work with it, the other one, but I just wasn't feeling it, and I was like, you know what? I don't want to go through this hassle just to be vlogging. We're gonna go with a different lens, hopefully soon, to up the quality on the content. But I appreciate everyone who is giving me feedback on the lens. I truly appreciate y'all, for real. I'll catch y'all when we get there. And look, guys, look what we drive into. Straight fog. What? You guys just seen in the last clip, bro. We were in full sunny skies. You seen the sunrise coming up. But once we get straight into LA, bro, it is foggy. Most of you guys is like, if you guys don't know, I live in like the San Fernando Valley, which is on the other side, and you gotta go over the hill to get onto like LA, Hollywood area. And bro, once you get over here on this side, it's like a whole different world. It's crazy. It gets foggy, the sun ain't even out, but when you're in the valley, the sun's out, everything, beautiful skies. It's weird, bro. Like if you live in LA, it's a different world from when you're living in the valley, for sure. Guys, I totally missed it. I moved too slow, but Dustin Williams literally came up to the car. You'll probably see it in his vlog, because he was recording the car, and then I called him over and I was like, bro, you signed my car like 3 years ago when it was like stock as F. And then he got me on the vlog and was like, bro, that is so sick. Shout out to Dustin Williams, bro. If you guys didn't know, he was like one of like the very first YouTubers, car YouTubers that I watched when I was like getting into like the automotive world. He was one of the first ones that I've seen. It was him, and then it was TJ Hunt, and then so forth. So sick, bro, so sick. Just even get a little bit of recognition. He said the Super looks sick. That means the world to me, man. Alright, so we got the Boot Bro nice and parked up. I seen them a little slanted, so I was like, you know, I'm gonna just slant too. Here's a couple of the lineups right now. We got a F80 wagon, Porsche Type R, I think it's the FL5, the new one. Nice, clean. NSX, also beautiful. Next to the Evo and discontinued Evo and the Evo 6, I believe. I don't know my Evo models, I'm sorry guys, but just know these things are dummy clean. That's 2000, the Porsche, you know, we've seen this thing everywhere. Look at this, even has a whole video. Damn, recording me, dude, it's recording me. And there some shit, look at this. That's crazy. A lot of cars too. I might end up swapping over to the mic just in case if it does get too loud. We'll see. E30 convertible is too clean. I like. It looks good. Hey, likewise, brother. Then we got another Supra. This dude got blood paint all over for the Halloween themes. I see you. White on white. Sheesh. I like the white on white. And then the little hoodie on the shift knob. That's sick. And he's manual. Shit, my bad, champ. My bad. I low-key wish I had gotten a manual sometimes, but I didn't. Man, this thing is crazy too. This thing is slammed to the ground. This is different. You don't see these get built. Man, I seen these earlier. They were pulling up with us. Oh, this is nice. The tucked wiring. Yeah, the FL5 is nice with the yellow accents. Ooh, E30 wagon. What? I don't think I've ever seen one of these, bro. And damn, this thing's nice on the BBSs. With the matching tail lights. Nah, this is tough, bro. I actually really like this. But as you guys can see, headed towards this side, the music is playing, so I think I might have to get the mic just so the music's not too overbearing, you feel me? Beautiful NSX, you guys always see this one as well. Crazy. He's almost at every show too. We got the R34 actually, looking very nice, very clean. Damn, one day guys, one day.
One day we'll have one. And the crazier part is that he imported this from Japan, so it's cooler. Has a cooler backstory. And we got Sparko. I want a Corgi so bad. Got a couple more cars on this side. On the right side, we got an Evo. We got the 350. The beautiful blue Bayside R34. This thing looks absolutely amazing with the HREs. One day, guys, I'm telling you. R34 next to the Supra. 2 JDM Legends back to back. You can't go wrong with that. The MK4. I think I follow her. It's a girl's car too. The Honda Fit. All right. I see you, big dog. The FK8. I like this. Yellow with the white HREs. These are tough. I actually like those HREs. Those are nice. And then we got the stock Supra on the polished stocks. A little different. I guess he has both stock wheels. Alright, so check out this little car right here. So what they've been doing with these cars is insane. So I don't know if you guys seen drift games and all that, but they've been buying these cars and converting them into like F40 mini cars. And they'll put like the Lamborghini doors on top and everything like that. It's actually pretty insane what they do with these. But it looks sick stock in general. It's like a small little car. Pretty dope. Looks dope. But damn, full-on race car on this Hondeezy. I don't rarely see Hondas like this get all built. Damn, it smells so good. I smell that black ice, sir. I smell that black ice. A Bupra. It's a nice color. I like. And them brakes. You got them track brakes. Them things are squeaky as F. Look, I've been contemplating on buying those. Might sell my Agile ones. So if you guys are interested in some Agile V1 side skirts, hit me up. I might be selling those very soon. Look at this F82. Yeah, I like how he has all the matching hardware. That is tough. I need to do this to my engine bay. I need to get these matching bolts ASAP. Same thing with the caps, all that. I need it. Man, that chop on that Z06. Woo. Damn. We got a Chaser. We got a GTT. I see y'all. I want a Chaser so bad though. I want a lot of cars. You guys can tell I probably sound like a broken record player just saying I want this, I want that, I really want this. But it's facts. I just want all of it. I want it all. Yeah, so check out this CRZ hybrid, wide body at that too. This thing is clean. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. I'm telling you, you guys don't really see builds like this. People won't do it. The 2 center exits in the back like that. Sick. Now this dude with the Meisties. Are they a little curb rash or are they just dirty? Nah, I think they curb rashed. Ugh, bro. Actually, TJ Hunt and his boys came by, so we might get a little close up of the M4 wide body, GT3 kit inspiration type thing. You know what I mean? Yeah, the yellow S2000 is really nice. This thing is mint. Even the headlights look really brand new. Dang, these are nice. And Dustin Williams is giving one of these away if you guys buy some merch. Obviously, you guys get entered to win, but you guys could win. Not this one though, obviously. Obviously. Am I a dickhead for parking like this? So I had just changed. I feel like a dickhead. And damn, these GS's, they definitely look like some drift builds for sure. But this thing is very nice with the Grady intercooler. And then TJ Hunt's M4 GT3 inspiration car. Whatever you want to call this thing. Look how wide this thing is. Insane. In front of it almost looks like a Cobra. Like a Cobra snake. I don't know if you guys can see that. Damn, that thing is sick. And then Nate's E92. And then Kevin's GT3. And this is the C6, the Z06 we heard chopping earlier. Crazy. Another Bupra. Sick. This R32 is beautiful. He also has an R34. You guys seen crazy. His name is Will. He's from Concept 3. Damn, that thing is so nice. I named me one. And we have another R32. Sick. All the JDMs pulling out today, huh? Especially for Dustin Williams, me. All the JDMs come out. This thing's nice. On the BBSs too. Alright. Dude, I like how they've been doing like this blue or any type of blue and they throw yellow accents in it. The yellow just bounces off so well. It gives me ideas, makes me want to do like a little hint of yellow or something. Evora GT. Man, these things are pretty nice. The Lotuses, small little cars, but crazy how they have like a V6 Camry engine supercharged. That's crazy, huh? Why couldn't the TRD just have that? The Camry TRDs, well, technically it has the same engine, just with the supercharger on it, and it's just pointed sideways. 340i. Okay. Nice. Triple chrome tees. This color is nice. I like it. Damn, guys. This gives me throwbacks right here. Throwback as F. Guys, if you guys didn't know, I used to have a Camry TRD in the beginning of this channel, and it used to be black. Just like this, but black. I wide-bodied it, did the most to it, did everything you could possibly do to the Camry. Even engine mods I think I did too, so like, I enjoyed it while it lasted. I just wanted more power at that point, but it was time to move on. Then look at this, we got an MR2, and then we got a Supra, and then we got an Evo. And then over there we got an Acura NSX. Damn, the silver and the red, like that's like a beautiful like color combo. This shit is nice, man. That shit is nice. Now look at this, man. This black and like silver combo just hits so damn well, bro. Oh, the paint's hitting too. R32 wouldn't be bad either, but I like an R33 as well. R32 or R33, guys, let me know. Obviously everybody would pick the R34, but I'm talking about like R32 or R33. That's a tough decision for me because I like both. It looks really good though. Damn, that front end is nice. Check out this NSX, a little old school, a little older version of the one we just saw, but even on the TEs, yeesh, this thing's nice. Even the old gens are nice, beautiful. They're just slow as F though. But they sick though, they sick. But we even got the Alpha Rex truck. This thing is badass, I'm not even gonna lie. I was just looking at it. And this too, I didn't even give you guys a full depth on this because I found out what it is. I guess it's a car built in South Africa. How do I know that? Because it says right there, and this is what it is. It's a M400. M4 weighs in at just 2376 pounds, nearly 1,000 pounds less than a Carrera GT and an Enzo. Damn. So I wonder how fast this thing goes. Does it say it? Does it say it? Let's see. 310 horsepower with 300 foot-pounds of torque. A crazy ass car too. The way it just folds up like that rear engine. Got NOS buttons on the steering wheel. He's about to be on his Paul Walker. Ooh, this is nice. That's tough. That is tough. Look at this Aston Martin Vantage, bro. Oh man, this color is hidden right now. Look at those wheels too. Those wheels are sick. This car in general is sick. Look at this thing. And what does badge say? F1 edition. Oh shit, that is crazy. What makes this an F1 edition? I need to ask him. What makes this an F1 edition? Is it the color? I don't know what it is. I wonder what it is. Okay, it's nice. Really nice. That paint is hidden. Look at that flake. Damn. MK4 Supra. All the guys left. TJ and them. But I was in line and I wanted to get TJ Hunt to sign the seat, bro. I think it would have been sick if he signed the seat. Because then I would have just kept it as memorabilia instead of like having a reason to sell it. Maybe one day I'll see him again. I need one. I need one really bad. Yes, guys, you guys are probably bored and annoyed of me saying I need one, because it's just in general, bro. I want a lot of these cars. These are a lot of my dream cars in here. Some are JDMs, some are hyper or exotic, whatever you want to say. But I have a lot of dream cars, guys. Let me dream. Let me dream. And wow, dude, I didn't even know there was some cars in here. I just literally walked in here and I thought it was only a restroom. I didn't know they had his cars in here as well. But yeah, this is one of Dustin Williams' Porsches right here. Looks really sick. Obviously, you see the hood needs some paint work, but dude, this thing is sick just the way it is like this now. The goal one day, guys, is to get the Supra washed up in here. A lot of the homies already got their cars washed up in here, but I need to be next. I need to one day have my car in here, get all cleaned up by them. Tim's car right here, the Honda. The Hondeezy, looking dummy nice in this yellow. Then we got his R35 Dustin Williams. Jeez. This color is so nice, bro. That Millennium Jade. Dang, even those headlights definitely made a difference. Ooh, those wheels to the Advance. Interior. Money. I think the only thing to do left when I get rid of the Supra is to get R35, huh? Or just skip my way up and get a McLaren. Me. God, it's time for the raffle. I was late. I was inside looking at the cars. I'm here. Let's see if I win.
A really great step forward in that, to be able to bring out so many amazing builds and people and do it this way. It's really cool, especially for a good cause. So again, thank you so much. The giveaways. Thank you to McGuire's. Thank you to Jessica and team for putting this together. I mean, this takes a lot of work, and they absolutely killed it. All of our vendors that took the time to get out here. Here we go. Number 1, Liquid Moly Oil Change Kit. Zach Tyler. Zach Tyler? Is Zach here? Thank you so much, man. Thanks for coming out.
Correction, that's the plan, baby. Don't put your life in these weird
niggas. Let's go.
It's not enough. Few solid niggas left, but it's not enough. Few bitches that are really stacked, but it's not enough. Same bigger do myself, but it's not enough.
Is there 2 Xavier Martinez's? Yeah. Okay, which is this is yours? Oh. Is that your phone number?
I don't know, call it.
There you go, dude. Congratulations. Maybe next time, you know? Yeah! Retrack day. Retrack day is going to Alex Nuno. Thank you, SD. Let's do $500. Thanks for coming out. 3 set of wheels. This is a spicy one. Are we ready? This is the last thing. You, congratulations, dude. You got to put yourself in.
Alright guys, and I think that is a wrap. All the giveaways have been given away. Your boy didn't win, unfortunately, but we was all dipping out. But overall, it was a dope event. I had fun, enjoyed my time. Low-key just wish I had TJ sign that seat, but if he had signed the seat, that would have been the cherry on top, but it's all good. Maybe next time. So we're gonna get up out of here now. Hopefully we don't have too long of a ride back home. But I hope you guys enjoyed that Cars and Coffee. I thought it was dope. Dustin Williams always does a charity event for like animals, dogs, pets. I think it was dope. Dope turnout as always. But again, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys did, make sure y'all hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and be part of the family. So this has been your boy Eddie. I'm out.
Do I really care? Hey, let's talk about the distractions.